Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
70 tons per day, 35 tons dry waste, 35 tons wet waste. The wet waste is the issue. Now how are you going to treat this wet waste? Fomento had a formula called the Winrow composting. Winrow composting was their formula, in which the cycle was of 45 days. So after a certain period of time, you would start getting smell. So you need a system in which daily waste is treated and digested on the same day, so that the waste does not come, smell does not come, for which the only solution appears to be biomethanation plants. Biomethanation is basically a process in which you transform the waste into energy, into power, waste to power. Now it could be in the form of, it could be in the form of gas, it could be CNG, it could be directly electricity, anything, but basically waste to power. So these biomethanation plants were suggested by the Solid Waste Management Corporation, which is incidentally led by the Chief Minister of the state. He is the chairman of the corporation. After all studies, the Chief Minister finally came up with a thing that they don't have the money for it. Decision taken was to put 7 modular plants. 7 modular plants of 5 TPD, means 5 tons per day. 7 into 5 is 35. Why were they modular? They were modular because the government intended to have a centralized facility for garbage management at Verna on lines of Saligao. Now, which meant that one day Sonsodo would disappear and it would be property of the municipality. We are not asking for a shortcut. We are asking for a legally tenable solution for which we are wanting to spend money, but the government is sleeping on it because the government wants to make politics out of garbage. आमचो मोटो is Fatorda first. हाजेच खातीर आमी manifesto release मॉडल मडगांवा बरोबर मडगांव सिवीक अलायन्स आसून पसून तांचे बरोबर आमी manifesto release करूंक ना, because this is a Fatorda centric manifesto whose motto is Fatorda first. We are promising, we have outlined our achievements and we have given our targets for fast track development.